I'll guide you through the process of setting up Bitcoin direct deposit on Cash App, allowing you to automatically convert a piece of every paycheck into Bitcoin with zero fees. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open Cash App and tap the Money tab to find your unique routing and account numbers, which function just like a traditional bank account for your employer's payroll. Order a cash card if you haven't already, as having an active card is now a mandatory requirement to unlock the full direct deposit and Bitcoin features. Navigate to the Bitcoin tile within the Money tab and ensure your identity is fully verified to enable the Paid in Bitcoin functionality. In Bitcoin section, tap Get Paid and select the exact percentage of your paycheck that you want to automatically convert from 1 to 100%. Review the fee schedule, which now offers 0% fees and 0 spreads for all direct deposits, ensuring you get the full market value for every dollar converted. Select Create a pre-filled form to generate a PDF with your account details that you can email directly to your employer or HR department. Use the Workday or ADP integration if your company uses these platforms, allowing you to link your Cash App account to your payroll in just a few taps without manual forms. Monitor your activity tab for your first deposit. While most hit 2 days early, it typically takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for the Bitcoin conversion to begin. Set your Bitcoin to automatically move to a Bitkey hardware wallet if you prefer self-custody, a new feature that keeps your paycheck off the exchange and in your control. Check the Bitcoin map in your app after your deposit lands to find local merchants where you can spend your newly acquired Bitcoin directly using your cash card. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.